I always loved Ducati, mainly the older version. The new Panigale is for me a little bit uglier than the old, but I guess they did it for the performance. One thing I'd like to ask you, would you like to see me on a Panigale? I personally think you're very well hidden from the plastic, so you don't get a lot of wind, which is a good thing, at least most of the time. And yeah, Panigale, that's where I need to go. It was a great ride with the Panigale, and I truly enjoyed riding it. It was a true pleasure. I need to go back into sport mode because I otherwise don't see the... Oh shit. Oh shit. Sorry my friends, you will never hear from me again. I will die today. The sound is not that nice. I have to say the sound could use a little work, so I understand when people put exhaust on the V4S, in my opinion. Like the Ducati might have the best performance, but in terms of sound, it needs a little help from the other brands. Aprilia, for example. But other than that, I truly am surprised about the good handling of the bike. Like for such a sport bike, it's actually quite comfy. But I like the BMW a little bit more with the inline 4. But I'm a inline 4 guy in general. But there everyone has his own taste. I just want to put in the cruise control, but it doesn't have a cruise control. Oh no, traffic starts to build, but I'm in a bike. I'm on a bike. So fuck you. But I might have to call my girlfriend. Maybe she already called me. By the way, guys, is this legal what I'm doing right now? Because when I see... Oh yeah, he does it, so should be okay. Yeah, it will probably be okay. I need to refuel the bike. But what's going... Oh yeah, the Ducati is on the right here. But to be honest, the new V4 isn't that loud like the old ones. At least it isn't that loud when you sit on it, but when you stand next to it, it's loud. Or is it? No, 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 not here, not here, not here. Oh yeah, there. So we made an extra turn on the roundabout, and now we're back here. That's the nice thing about roundabouts. I know in America they don't have that many, but it's nice to have them. So yeah, why am I back in the race mode? I wanted the sport mode so I can see the time. I need to close the gas. Okay. I got 12 minutes to get my girlfriend. She will kill me. Sorry guys if there's no more videos, but I'm gonna get killed today. Oh yeah, the old trick. Put your arm down onto the tank. But now oh no, bad idling was to the left. Shit. But I will need to refuel anyway. But now there's a tunnel. the bike isn't that loud. Oh no, it's starting to rain a little. Shit. It was so nice. I could have ridden another hour or so, but I need to pick up my girlfriend. I'm not happy about that. Mm-mm. Oh, I missed my opportunities to surpass. But now I need to stop and look at Google Maps before I lose the way again. And here I could have gone to the right, but I forgot on which road. Which road is this? Are some of you from this region? Do you know? I don't. And I don't know where I'm going. And my hand gets a little bit numb now, the right one. And now let's go. Okay, no, but I'm being lost onto the left. Oh yeah, I know where I am. There's the Ducati right there. So I will need to refuel the bike, and they told me to the left here. Somewhere around here, there should be a guess. Oh fuck! I forgot. I'm in Germany. I totally forgot. Now, first of all, I will remove the microphone. But first, we'll do like this. A few photos, because I need my phone anyway to pay. Okay, so please don't cost me a long. Oh shit, nothing in here. So I will E10. Yo, I will put in E10. I don't care what you guys say. Alright. I will remove the mic again and alright, the mic is here. I will put it on here. €8. Shit. Number 3. Alright, you probably heard that. So where did I put the bike key? Oh yeah, right here. Come on, bike. Oh yeah, I want to show you the animation. Awesome. Now I need to go to the left. Now it starts to rain once more. So it was full in the beginning and I paid €8 now to fuel it up, which means that I consumed 4 liters in this small little trip. Okay, not small. I went to unlimited and I got almost to 200 kilometers an hour. Looks nice. All right.